What's going on? Hey, if you are watching this video right now because you have a list of addresses and you need the contact information for those addresses, for those properties, I'm going to show you how to get it right now. So think phone numbers and emails for those properties. Maybe you've got some sort of list like this. Maybe it's a list of expired listings in your area. Maybe it's a notice of election demand list because it's properties going into foreclosure and you want to call on them. Maybe it's some sort of other leads list, but you're missing the phone numbers and or the email addresses. I'm going to show you how to get that contact info right now. I'm Jerad Larkin. I'm with Chicago Title. Follow along milehighTitleGuy.com. This system that you're looking at right in front of me right now is called Title Toolbox. You can get access to it through me. The website is chicagocodata.com. All right. If you don't have an account, you can try to register. I'd have to approve you though, or ask me for it, and I will get you access to it. Once you log into this system, Title Toolbox, you are going to do this ideally on your computer. Obviously, don't do it on your phone. And at the top, you're going to click on the farming tab and you're going to click on the upload option. All right. And then you're going to see here some instructions on how to upload your spreadsheet data. Now, this is important. Otherwise, it literally does not work. Is you have to format the spreadsheet properly with one of two things. But the main one we're going to focus on is here's what we need. We need the zip code for the property, and then we need the actual site address for the property. And then lastly, if there is a unit number, we need to also have the unit number in a separate column. So potentially 3 columns here. If you don't do this properly and name it properly, it literally does not work. And we want it to work. So I'm going to show you how to very, very quickly and easily make it work. Fortunately for you, I created a prompt that you can access and copy and paste into your favorite large language model, such as ChatGPT here. And ChatGPT is going to do all the work for you and reformat your spreadsheet. So you can have access to this. Basically, it says reformat the existing spreadsheet and make it follow the requirements for Title Toolbox. What you will do is you will copy and paste this entire prompt and you will paste it over here into ChatGPT. Now, pro tip, if you have ChatGPT access to 5.2, I would recommend choosing the drop down and choosing the thinking option. It just means it will take longer for chat to do this, but it's going to be really good for crunching numbers and doing more of a detailed task like this. Choose the thinking option within ChatGPT. Next step is you're going to basically paste in that prompt. You can see here, I already did it, but you just paste it in down here. And then once you paste it in, you will upload the spreadsheet of property addresses that you want figured out on, right? So I'd go here, I would add photos or files. I would then take this existing spreadsheet and upload it. Now, for the sake of time, I'm not going to rerun this for you because I already just did it now. But what it says is, hey, let's go ahead and upload that spreadsheet, which I did. And then lastly, it's going to crunch it. It took a couple minutes, honestly, to do this. I don't know why. Maybe it was my Wi-Fi. But then you're going to download that file as a CSV. Once you download it, check this out. This is what I want to show you here, is the reformatted file looks something like this. Zip code, address, unit number, which is what you want, which you don't want to do manually. That is not going to be fun. All right. Once you have this list, this one's called reformatted, you will go into Title Toolbox. You will name the farm. Let's just call this test farm. All right. You will then upload that existing file and you will upload it and save it to your account. I have hit the max capacity of farms because I do this for a lot of real estate people. So let's just pretend I'm going to do it for someone else, right? I could click on anyone's name, but in theory, if you, were doing this yourself, you wouldn't have this issue. You would upload it. Once you upload it, it's going to take a little bit of time. It's going to send you an email letting you know it received the file, and then it will send you a follow-up email letting you know once it has the results. It's going to share with you the phones and emails that it found for each address that you can then log in and purchase. Phone numbers are 7 cents a record. Emails are 8 cents a record. If you want both, right, total cost is 15 cents per property. You can purchase it, use a credit card, and then download the updated spreadsheet with all of the information, including the phone numbers and emails. The way the system works here with Title Toolbox is it can give you up to 3 email addresses and up to 5 phone numbers. The email and phone within the first column is going to be the most accurate piece of data, working its way from left to right. from more accurate to less accurate. All right. I'm Jerad Larkin. I'm with Chicago Title. You can follow along milehighTitleGuy.com. Especially if you're in the real estate space, reach out to me. Would love to chat or follow along. I send out a weekly email newsletter sharing nothing but real estate tools, resources, marketing ideas to help the real estate community with their business. I teach a ton of classes and events coming out. Would love to see you. And if you have questions on this, reach out to me. Would love to help you out. All right. We'll see you in the next video.